Academy, India. In the erstwhile Madras President.
ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿ
ಹೇಳಲು ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣವಿದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಇಂದು ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 5.
Our Honorable Principal Sir gave a wonderful speech about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and essence of teachers.
Teachers are those who make students able to get to the door of success. Such a teacher is really a honorable person in every student's life.
Talented, elegant, awesome, charming, helpful, efficient, respective is the teacher. The influence of a great teacher can never be erased.
Behind every successful student, there is a teacher who believed in them when no one else did.
There is a sloka called Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
It means the Guru is Brahma, the God creator. The Guru is Vishnu, the God is maintaining the universe. The Guru is Maheshwara, the God of distraction. The Guru is Brahma, the supreme absolute truth.
Thanks for watching today's Teachers' Day celebration in our school.
Jai Shri Gurudev.